how to customize Shopify Spotlight theme. So let's get started. So all you have to do is to go to your Shopify account, and then here you have to locate themes. Actually, the default theme of Shopify is done. So usually you will see this, okay? That is our current theme. So what you want to do is to scroll down and look for a Spotlight theme. Now you have to click this button add to add this, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and it will be under the done theme or current theme here. So what you want to do in order for you to customize this is to simply publish this one. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and once you see the publish button is available already, you have to click publish. Now once you see that the spotlight is here, it's now ready to customize. So what you want to do is to click this button customize, and then here it is. So this is the home page of your Spotlight theme. We're going to edit this. Okay, so if you tap a secure icon, you see the following features such as logo, colors, typography, layout, animations, buttons, and so on. Okay, so now we are going to simply edit this part right here. Okay, now if you want to see how it looks like if you are scrolling using your computer, using your pod or your iPad or whatever it is, then you just have to go to default view, and you will see what it looks like if you are using, or if your customer is using your phone or their desktop or whatever device they have. Now, if you go to this part right here and you want to edit or add some logo, you just have to click logo and then select image. Now, all you have to do is to add image here. But if you want to add your logo, then you have to import the logo from your device and then wait as it is uploading and then click done. Then you will see the logo here. Okay, so how are you going to edit or place it, I mean, in the right or in the center or the right? What you want to do is to simply go back and then look for your header. So once you tap your header here, then you can just simply, edit your logo. Just go to the right side and you can change the sub logo position to middle left, center, top center, and so on. If you want to change the submenu type, you just have to go to this area and you can change this to drop down, like a menu, drawer, and so on. Also with the sticker header, you can select from any of the options here. So now let's go to color scheme, and actually you can change this one or you can edit the color. Everything is up to you. So if you think that this color scheme is better or way better than the original one, or this color fits to your product or to your page, then you can choose this. So all you have to do is just select the right color for your background or for your page. Okay, same thing with the menu color below. You can just simply edit or change this one. Everything is up to you. Okay, so that's it. Below are some settings like the widget, selector. Also, we have here language selector. You can change that. You can enable language selector or region selector. Everything is up to you. Also with the mobile layout. And then here, you can change the bottom margins, the section padding, top padding, bottom padding. All you have to do is to drag up and down. Which one is better? Okay, so going back to the left side, apart from the logos, we have also here typography, layout, animation. So if you want to change the size or the font size scale, then all you have to do is drag it up to increase. You can change the font style. So choose from any of the fonts here. Okay, so that is under typography. For layout animations, all you have to do is to tap from any of this here and then change if you want to change something. But this time, let's focus on product cards. So here you can change the thickness, opacity of your product's visibility here. Okay, so let's just say if you want to change the thickness, then you can drag it up. Okay, or if you want to change the image padding, you can drag it up. Okay, also you can change the test alignment to center if you want, or right if you want. And then also for the thickness here, if you want to, increase, all you have to do is drag it up. Also, same thing with the opacity. If you want to make it like very clear or something like that, so you can just increase this. This is what it looks like. Okay. Also, for the corner radius, you can drag it up if you want. For the shadow opacity, you can increase opacity here. Horizontal offset, we have here blur. You can just drag it up if you want to or increase. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. And yeah, everything is up to you. You just have to find the right settings for your product. Okay, so going back, if let's just say if you want to add something here, like for the template, if you have your featured collection and you want to change or you want to add it your featured collection, same thing with the header, then all you have to do is to tap and then you can change also the size, you can add description, you can change description style, and you can also change everything here. For example, so this is my featured collection here and I want to change the color. So all I have to do is to tap this color scheme. Okay, so let's just say this one is okay. This one is fit. So yeah, let's go on to this section right here. You can check this one, mobile layout, tab heading. I mean the spacing, everything is up to you. You can see actually if you drag it up or down, you can see some changes. Same with the bottom padding here. Okay. So yeah, if you want to change the selection, if you want the homepage feature selection, then you can see here homepage collection. Okay. Under homepage collection, I didn't put anything there. So everything is up to you. So anyways, you can change the collection here. So you just have to tap what collection you would like to appear. Maximum products to show, you can choose from three, four, five, everything is up to you. Number of columns on desktop, you can change this one also. You can change this to three, two, one. Actually, you can see the result right away. Okay, so if I change to two, then people can see two products. Okay, they need to scroll down to see all of the products, unless or unlike this one here. If I tap this maximum at five, then they can see five products. Okay, they don't need to scroll down. Okay, so again, if you want to add some section on your footer, if you want to add image, if you want to add text, okay, footer that means below here, okay? So if you want to add brand information, add block, for example, you need to add text right here. Then all you have to do is to go to the text above on the right side, change the heading to something you want, like welcome to our store or our products here. Also for the subject, you can change everything here. You can add some description, more information about your product or your store. All you have to do is to simply save this so that you will see the changes. Okay, so that's it. This is footer. And aside from that, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can add image, you can add boxes, you can add anything here so that your store looks way better. Okay, but actually everything is up to you. And don't forget to save it. So this is what it looks like. Another thing, if you want to add again, just click add block and you can add more features. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, you can edit it if you want. Okay, you can change the font or the format if you want. For the color scheme, actually, you can create your own color scheme. All you have to do is to tap edit and then select the colors that you want, the background that you want. Okay, so under theme settings, you can add your social media accounts here. Okay, so all you have to do is to paste it. Okay, so here it is. Okay, feel free to explore and change everything here. So yeah, this is just a very basic tutorial on how to customize or how to change or modify your spotlight theme. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Don't forget to save, and then you can view this once you open your view button or once you open your online store. Okay, so that's it. This is just a very basic tutorial on how to change something on your spotlight theme. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.